Hey folks, thanks again for stopping by. As always, Henry here from smartmoney.com. I just thought I'd give you a quick update on my Thorncoin ICO I purchased in January. What happened is they obviously had their ICO, which I think started at 50 cents, but I got in at $1.20. Right, so here it is. This was my order on the 24th of January, 3 o'clock. So that's the number of units I bought, right? And I just held it there because I was waiting for them to actually launch it on the exchange and stuff like that. So in the meantime, what I did, I started doing some staking. Right now, staking is just a process of whereby you're increasing your Thorn coin. So what I did was I started with 50, I think 50 Thorn coin that I staked just to see how it works, just to see how it hangs together, and you know, um, confirm and satisfy myself that I'm happy with what they're offering and how it's working. So here you can see, obviously, as I said, the 94 units I started with. Now I'm on 98, which means obviously I gained another 4 Thorn coin. Just to the process. As I said, this was really a small amount that I just wanted to play around with and see what happens. So they've now launched the exchange, but it's currently, I think they had a few issues with it. So therefore they took it offline to do some maintenance and stuff because they had issues with it. So if we go to, so here you can see the LTS is disabled due to system maintenance, etc. Now they obviously had some issues when they launched it on the 18th, I believe. So at the moment it's offline and they're doing some work. Now I think what they are doing, instead of doing the lending thing with which what happened with BitConnect. So instead of doing the long-term lending, they're changing it to long-term staking. All right, so I think they're trying to get around the issue that way, because people are now scared of any lending program or anything that's got lending in its name. So people are shying away from it. So I think their answer to it was to, like call it in this case long-term staking. But I think it's pretty much just lending. So the long-term stacking basically is this is the number of units, minimum and your maximum units you can stake. Gives you the daily bonus, and it's locked in for 180 days, right? So after 180 days, they will basically release your capital. Now I haven't invested in this yet. I'm still weighing up my options, right? I first want to see what happened with it. Now then you have the shorten uh, stacking there. So this it's only locked in for 7 days. All right, you will that's the amount 12% that you will be earning in a month. All right, and your balance will then be released. So this is what I've done. As I said earlier, here's my staking history. So 5th of Feb, I just took about 50 Thorn coin and I earned 1.4 percent on it, and then it was released on the 12th, and then I went in with all of it on the 14th of Feb, which was 95.4 Thorncoin, and I earned 2.67% on it. Okay, and then release date, which was yesterday. So that was released. So now, obviously, I'm at 98.07 Thorncoin. So I'm contemplating stacking it again, but I'm gonna wait and see when the exchange is live. So if you see here, right, so the exchange is offline at the moment, and so they are doing some work because when they went live, as with all of these issues, you're getting some issues, go live issues, which I think they've encountered. So they took it offline, obviously doing some fixing on it, and then we'll be back online. All right, so I'm waiting for that, see what happens, and then I will decide what I'm gonna do with it. I might go for a short-term staking again, just to build up the Thorncoin there, and then just pull it out at some stage. Right, so for me at this stage, it's just a short-term thing. I'll play around with it, see what it does, but I thought I'll make a quick video just to show you where I'm up to with it and what it's doing at the moment. And as always, guys, make sure you check it out, do your due diligence, you know, do your numbers, make sure that you're happy with it, make sure that you're comfortable with it, and obviously don't invest money that you can't afford to lose, because with all of these programs, they're very flaky, and there's a risk in everything. But with these lending programs, you need to be extra careful and make sure that you're happy with the risk that you're taking on. So check it out. If it's something you're interested, use the link below, and get on board. If it's not, obviously just bypass it, look at something else. My focus is always to look out for some programs where you can make passive income, and I found Thorncoin to be one of them. All right, so again, thanks for watching, guys. As I said, it was just a quick summary to show you where I'm up to and what's happening with Thorncoin. So thanks for stopping by. As always, like and subscribe, and I'll be back with some more videos on programs that I found suitable to generate some passive income. Again, thanks for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe, and be smart with your money today and have a better tomorrow. Cheers, guys.